This time we are at 814 Lanes and Games here in Johnstown, Pennsylvania. This is our first time here, so let's go check it out. Join us. Let's go. So our first impression so far is pretty amazing. They even have a Bites and Brewery restaurant in here that serves really good food, everything you could think of. We're gonna check out the menu and order something good, and we'll let you know how it tastes. So they got like pizzas, bowled out stuff, even have wings, sides, kids menu. Plus they got shareables here, like it's pretty much like their appetizer list there. They have sandwiches to galore, they have burgers, beverages, and they don't even have room for desserts on that main menu, so they got milkshakes, funnel cake fries, brownie sundae, and you got milkshake flavors over here. Look at all them bad boys. That looks pretty dang good if you ask me. Look at that. Looks good.
And a non-alcoholic souvenir slushie.
Yeah. I know, I've seen that there. It looks pretty good.
Hey, what is this? Hey, what is this?
Cranberry.
Cranberry.
So Maddie got the mac and cheese and french fry with a blue slushy kids meal. And my wife and me got the same thing. We got the Philly cheesesteak hoagie, fully loaded. I got fries, she got a side salad, and I got myself some unsweetened tea.
I can make it.
Yeah, sounds pretty good. Wow, look at that bad boy. That looks good. Wow, look at that.
That's delicious.
Beautifully done. Yeah. Does that look good? So it's real steak, man. Good? How about you, Weiss? How's it going over here? Is it good? Yeah. Not good. No noodles on that bite. Still no noodles. Alright, maybe another noodle. Let's start out testing these out. These fries look pretty, let me get a good one here. Look at that bad boy. Has a really good crisp to it, too. These are some good fries. Kind of like the ones we get at Kennywood. I didn't get no mayonnaise or anything yet, but we're gonna take a bite of this. Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah. Let me switch it around here so you can see the other side of it. Looking good. Yeah, let's get a bite of this and see what it tastes like without any sauce on it. Pretty good. It's really good. I like it. I don't know if I just want to put ketchup on it or what. Might. Go old school style. But it's pretty good though. I like it. So, I'm going to finish eating here. Then we're going to go check out the rest of the place. Wow, that was so good. That was good. And in total, it came to like 40 bucks. Prize area. You buy your tickets, your cards here. Prize area up there. That's cool. Let's go check out other stuff they got. Looks like they have Wheel of Fortune there, right? Look at that. Win some event room. You can have your parties here and stuff. Look at this game. Oh, that's cool. It's an icy game. That's neat. I've never seen one like that. There's Jurassic Park. Wow. That's pretty cool. Look at that. They have cards, spin it to win it. Balls you can win. They even have a laser. Look at that detail. Wow. And by the drone footage I've seen online, you can actually see the other half of this inside the laser. That's pretty cool. Space Invaders, they have Pac-Man, claw machines, Connect 4 hoops. That's pretty cool. Pop it. Check out this. That there's not working right now. Plants vs. Zombies. Well, that's pretty cool. Check that out. And Iceman. A bunch of games up there too. That's pretty cool, man. And they have the bowling alley out there, as you can see out there too. Look, you can see them out there bowling. Full-size bowling alley. Look at that. Doesn't have screens on top of the thing out there too. This here is pretty cool. We're gonna definitely play that. Maddie's going around checking out the games. We're gonna go up this way. They have a football game. I've never seen one of these before. That's pretty cool. I gotta bring Ethan here to check that out. One of my favorite games. I used to watch with my mom, Deal or No Deal. Well, they have bowling over here too. This looks like a water game. That's pretty neat. I have some games over here too. Some classic carnival games. Look at that. Little restrooms over this side. This game here at Chuck E. Cheese is amazing. You can actually win tickets and stuff like that. The hoops. That's pretty massive. Skee ball. Oh, there's Matt down there. Playing the Luigi's Arcade. Look at her. That's pretty neat. I love that. Look at that. Basketball. Pop it. I've never seen that before either. That's pretty cool. I love it. That is cool. Let's go over and see how much the tickets are for our game card. And we'll go from there. There's that. That's pretty cool. Let's go some kind of tournament. Alright, so we're gonna go into this kiosk here. Credit, purchase one. And it says here other purchases, harbor balance. So you got different kind of options there. Go all the way back. So get 40, 25. It's 100. That's pretty cool. Not bad, not bad. So they got unlimited cards. They have one for 10 for an hour, and they have one for 25 for 2 hours. But that doesn't give you any prize options. You can play the games, any game you want, except the claw machines, but they won't give you any tickets. That's pretty cool, especially when you have a toddler. But then again, you gotta win prizes, right? But also, what we just showed you back here with the kiosks, that's their price point for getting tokens and stuff like that to, you know, get prizes. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna buy an unlimited card. I'm gonna get I think it's like the $10 one for an hour or whatever. And then my wife's gonna buy some from the kiosks so she can win some points. Go. A whole hour. It doesn't start until she swipes the first game. She get a whole hour. So actually, I just learned this too. If you buy the 2-hour one for $25, you get unlimited laser tag too. So technically, man, that's not bad at all. That's pretty cheap. So let's let her go wild. Here you go. Yeah. Mommy got you a ball. A14 ball. Thank you. Look at that. So this one here is called power roll. So what you got to do, you got to get the ball into a certain area. So we're gonna scan this, and then I'm gonna go like this. There we go. Wow! Only got 8 points on that. Look at that. We're gonna play this. Yeah. This is so cool. There we go, Weez. Whoa. Oh. Oh, that's cool. Whoa. Whoa. Come on, keep driving, Weez. Whoa! Oh! Wow, that was pretty amazing. That was cool. We're gonna try the slushy machine here. Woo. Ah, almost made it. Yeah. I'm a professional slushy maker. Yeah. We're gonna play Space Invaders. Whoa! This is one of Daddy's favorite games. And here's a laser tag. That's what it looks like inside. It's pretty decent size up there. That's pretty cool. It's a vent room. They're pretty decent size. You like open it up, you got the whole thing too. It looks pretty awesome. While Weez plays some games there. I mean, so far this is pretty amazing. This will be our first time in here. I've seen some like arcade games I've never seen before, like the slushy game and the Pop It game. And I've seen the Connect 4 hoops before, and the other games I've kind of seen before too. They're pretty cool. They also have some escape rooms. They have Cell Block E. And they also have, over here, they have another escape room. That's pretty cool. It's called a Singularity. Looks pretty awesome. Checking the balance. Balance you got, wife. Ah, not too shabby. Whoa, what's them? All right, look at you go.
The milk jug.
Oh man, put all the balls in the milk jug, man. Get it, man. Oh, there you go. Come on, get it. Did you hear her laughing when she said about her? Let me explain a little bit more. That was amazing. The SpongeBob SquarePants Delmonic duo. You had to literally play together. That's pretty awesome. You have to, one has to drive and one has to throw the patties. That was pretty awesome because you felt everything. Like every time my daughter would slam into the wall, you felt it. It felt like I was gonna fall off. It was pretty amazing. That's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. Playing Jurassic Park arcade game. Wow, that was so much fun. Me and Weez were shooting up the dinosaurs, man. You're having as much fun as we are. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of these awesome adventures because we got more coming. This place is awesome. So now we're gonna call it a day. And here in the arcade at 814 Lanes and Games, we're gonna go and see what kind of prizes Maddie can win. Let's go. Wow, they got so many prizes.
Rick and Morty keychains down there.
Rick and Morty keychains. Wow, check them out. They have football helmets. They have stuff over here too. There's some bigger prizes up there. They have footballs, big balls up there. The hyper pipe, what the heck is that? Get a PS5 and everything. Big giant aliens. Oh, they're a bunch of candies. Whoa, that's pretty cool. What are we getting? They even have little hot dogs in there. The Care Bear balls. Those are so cute. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
That is so cute. Check it out. Oh man, they got some cool stuff in here. I like the Rick and Morty keychain down there. How much you got left?
105.
Didn't get it on camera, but we's had fun. She says, oh yes. And we did too, and I hope you guys did too. If you guys did enjoy this, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will find more awesome places like this in and around Pennsylvania or elsewhere, who knows. Gotta hit that notification bell so you never know, never miss a drop. Until next time, have a good day.